Should you have a policy related to timekeeping for your salaried employees? Hi, I'm Jim White of JSW & Associates. For over 13 years now, I've been working with a wide variety of employers in Ontario to develop highly customized documentation like employment policy manuals, job descriptions, and operational procedures manuals. In order to ensure that you are compliant with the overtime pay guidelines of the Ontario Employment Standards Act, you must keep accurate records of the hours worked by your overtime eligible employees, even for salaried overtime eligible employees. Overtime pay eligibility is determined by the nature of the job, not by the method of payment. For example, you may pay your accounts receivable clerk a weekly salary. But if that clerk works more than 44 hours in a week, she will be entitled to overtime pay at 1 1/2 times her equivalent hourly rate. A weekly salary will legally entitle you, the employer, to up to 44 hours of the employee's time each week without paying overtime rates, provided that the equivalent hourly rate is not less than the legislated minimum wage. Time records should be kept to ensure that you have an accurate account of the hours worked. Your policy related to hours of work and timekeeping should include a statement that employees must not work more than 44 hours in a week without the express approval of their manager. Keep in mind that simply having a policy that employees must not work overtime hours without management approval is not enough. You must continually enforce the policy. There have been many cases where employees, after terminating their employment, have sued employers for past overtime pay. Unless the employer can show records that overtime was not worked, the employer will usually lose that lawsuit. I hope you found this video informative. If you would like to learn more about other types of essential documentation required by Ontario employers, go to policymanual.ca, where you can get access to my entire series of 20 videos and receive a free copy of my guide to developing essential workplace documentation. Hope to see you there.